Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as an individual products on your collection page. This video is specific for Debutify theme. For other themes, I have already published a lot of codes which you can find in the playlist. Let me show you step by step that how you can implement this code in your Shopify store. So the first thing is that you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are downloading it, you will be getting these 4 files. Just open document.txt. Inside of it, I have already given all the steps. Open the dashboard. Here you can see that I have installed Debutify theme. So click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. We have some files and folders. So in the documentation, the first step is like create a new snippet, color-variant. So copy this name and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste the name and click on done. And then after you should create another file which is color-product-grid-item. So you should create another snippet actually. Click on add a new snippet, paste the name and click on done. And now you should add the attached code color-variant.txt. You should copy this complete code and paste it inside of this color-variant.liquid. And then after you should save the changes and close the file. Another file is color-product-grid.txt. So open this file, copy this complete code and then paste it here. And then click on save and close the file. So once you are done, then you should move ahead with the third step, which is go to sections, open collection-template.liquid. So here we have search, find here collection-template. You can see that collection-template.liquid. Inside of it, we need to find product-grid-item. So using Control F or maybe Command F, you can find it. It will be highlighted. You should replace product-grid-item from both these places and paste it with color-variant. So here I am going to paste. Here is the another place. So once you are done, then you should save the changes. And now we are interested to refresh the page. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the products with their color variants. How beautiful this is now. Earlier we only had 3 products with their single variant was showing, but now we can see that all the product variants are displaying here. So that's how you can implement it into your store. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.